Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Boldmethod app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Boldmethod is an aviation training app designed to help student pilots, private pilots, and aviation enthusiasts sharpen their knowledge and flight decision-making skills. The app offers a variety of interactive quizzes, real-world flying scenarios, and in-depth articles covering VFR, IFR, weather interpretation, regulations, and more. It's a go-to tool for reinforcing concepts and staying current with aviation knowledge. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is user-friendly, with clean navigation and thoughtfully organized content. Users love the short, scenario-based questions that mimic real flying situations and help improve their judgment. Many find it especially useful when preparing for checkrides or FAA written exams. The explanations provided after each quiz are detailed, making it easy to understand and remember complex topics. That said, it's not perfect. Some users mention the app could benefit from more advanced material for commercial or ATP-level training. A few also wish it included more multimedia features, like video tutorials or flight planning tools. Content updates are somewhat limited, which may leave advanced users wanting more. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Boldmethod is a powerful training companion for pilots at the early and intermediate levels. Its focused content, real-world applications, and quiz-based approach make it an effective supplement to traditional flight training. While it may not replace a full ground school or cover advanced certifications in depth, it's still a solid educational app for anyone serious about aviation. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.